Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and I'm living through a bit of Groundhog Day. So I just recorded this video. See? And then we were all done, took the picture for the thumbnail. Realized I never turned my microphone on. So we got to put all the rabbits back in the hole. And we're going to try this again. Main Street Mail. That's coming up again right now. All right, gonna pretend to cut it. Ready? Doesn't it look like it was just repacked? Alright, I don't know how they get this all in there. I could barely get this thing closed, and I have way the majority of the confetti out of the box already, and I still couldn't get it to close right. Okay. So, Main Street Mail always includes a drawing or painting of a Disney character, and I got Steamboat Willie, which I am very excited about. I will put a picture in the photo box for you. Boop! Chris, we hope you enjoy these items we selected for you, Main Street Mail. Very nice. Gonna re-throw this confetti real quick. It's like twice baked potatoes. Alright, I'm gonna pretend to slice this cardboard open. Oh, there's a postcard in here. So it's a vintage postcard. It's Haunted Mansion. I will put a picture of the front and back in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop, boop. I really like this. We're definitely gonna frame this. It is, I don't know what year it's from. It doesn't say a year on it. It says, the Haunted Mansion hovering over a riverbank in deathly splendor is the mysterious haunted mansion, an active retirement home for 999 happy ghosts, ghouls, and goblins dying to meet visitors. There's just no date on here, but you can tell that it's definitely got some age. I would say maybe 70s. Very cool. Then this, so if you're not part of the Main Street Mail, they started a Facebook group. You should check it out because they post some things that they get in, and this was one of the things. They posted a whole bunch of vintage clocks, all different styles, and I climbed all over this one. And this was like a couple months ago, so I wasn't sure that I was actually going to get it, and I think they only had one of this one. But here it is. So, let's check it out. So the last time I've recorded this, I already put a battery in here, so Mickey is ticking away. It's an alarm clock. I can't wait to hear what it actually sounds like when it goes off. I don't know if I could do that. Dinner's ready. We always seem to be filming when dinner is finishing up. Please hold. I'm gonna see if this alarm will sound for me. Whoa, dinner's done again. It works. I love it. So I'll put that in the photo box so you can check it out on the spinner. Boop. So cool. If you happen to know what year this came out, this is, I'm guessing, maybe 80s? Something like that. I really like it. Alright. Next, we have an amazing mug. Alright, so we have a mug with a pair of socks in it. The mug is Steamboat Willie 1928 glass mug. I really like these. I don't drink a ton of coffee, but I have a little bit of coffee, like 8-10 ounces in the morning, so these are perfect for me. And I'll throw this on the turntable so you can check it out. Boop. I really like this one. We have got a very extensive Disney coffee mug collection going on. And then we have a pair of socks. They are Mickey socks. Check that out. Throw that in the photo box too so you can see them. Boop. That's a lot of stuff for a very small box. And then we have a set of pins, and I really like these pins. They are Steamboat Willie and Peg Leg Pete. I will take them out of the plastic and throw them in the photo box so you can get a better look at it. Boop. I really like these. They're like super chrome. They're very nice. Dig it. And finally, we have got a Gymshark and the spoiler sheet. Gymshark. Ready? Look at him! Mickey Mouse dressed up for Halloween as Frankenstein. He's got the bolt sticking out of his neck. Absolutely love him. I don't have this one, and it is really hard for people to find us Mickey Gymsharks that we don't have, because we have an extensive collection. I will throw him in the photo box so you can take a better look. Boop. And then let's get to the spoiler sheet so we can see what this value is on here. Our printer was running out of ink, but we thought you'd like Mickey's pink uniform, so we left it. The girls from Main Street Mail are really funny. You should really be following them on Instagram too. So they ran out of color ink, so his uniform ended up being pink. Let me throw this up on the screen so you can take a look at it with me. Boop. The Gymshark figurine, $39.90. Vintage postcard, $5.90. So somebody held on to that thing for, I don't know, 40 years. And I got it for $5. That's pretty sweet. I really like the valuation that they put on their vintage items. I think it's well worth it. Speaking of which, vintage alarm clock, $15. I love it. And the mug was $20. Cufflinks ink socks, $19.50. And the pin set is $15. Total box value, $114.40. Super worth it. If you have not gotten a Main Street mailbox before, check out in our description. We will have a link to their site, and there is also a promo code to get you a discount on your very first box. Check them out, because especially if you like the vintage stuff, they're the only ones that are doing that, and it is really cool to get stuff. I mean, it's really nice getting all the new stuff too, but when you start getting a lot of it, it's really cool to get some of the older stuff, so check it out. If you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here, and if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, it would help us out a ton. Click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.